Welcome back to my channel, my loves. Today's video is actually going to be a updated makeup routine. A lot of people, I get so many questions about my makeup, so many questions, and I did do a everyday makeup routine before. I just switched up a few things about my makeup routine. I was like, why don't I just do it again? And I got my wig put back on, so you know what, I am feeling myself. I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell on my Instagram, I have been feeling myself. I feel really good. I feel great. I feel amazing, actually. And I actually have been working out. This is my third week working out 3 times a week, waking up at 5 a.m. too. And I noticed that my anxiety, I haven't had an anxiety attack since I started working out, which is insane. But I heard as well though, just working out helps with so much more than just getting in shape, mentally, physically. I feel great, you guys. I feel great. And yeah, let's get this video started. Usually I do my foundation routine first, but I find it easier and quicker to get my makeup done when I do my eyes. So it's kind of one of the things that I've switched up about my, my everyday makeup routine. So I'm going to start off by using the Tarte Shape Tape in light neutral. And we're just going to be putting that all over, you feel me? And I don't use a big mirror when I do my makeup. I like using like a tiny little mirror from like a compact or something like that. I know that's really weird, but I don't know why I feel comfortable using it, so I used to not even like this foundation, this freaking concealer, because I felt like every time I applied it, it was way too much, but now I like it. And to blend that out, of course, using my beauty blender that is lightly damped. And to set that concealer, I am going to be using my Laura Mercier setting powder. I am still very simple and easy with my makeup. I am not a crazy makeup person. I don't have it really like a super talent with makeup, you guys. I don't. I know a lot of you who have been following me for a while know that as well. So for my crease color, which is all I use, I'm just going to be going in with my bronzer, which is Hoola by Benefit. I feel like it just adds a very nice neutral tone to the eyelids because I don't like anything dramatic. I'm very simple, clean, and just a makeup that goes with everything. I am actually going to go in with my Anastasia brow gel and just kind of set those crazy brows because my brow hairs are hella thick and wiry. And sorry if my voice sounds so weird. I actually have strep throat. Unfortunately, I don't even understand how I got it. This is my second time getting it, but the last time I got it was like 2-3 years ago, and I only had it for like 3 days. And yeah, it's just not a fun sickness. It honestly is not fun, only because obviously if you've ever had strep throat, it's so uncomfortable and it just hurts swallowing stuff. It doesn't hurt. I said it doesn't hurt. What the heck? It hurts. It hurts drinking and it hurts eating. It does not feel good. While I am waiting for my eyebrows to dry with the brow gel, I'm going to go in with my Sephora Matte Black Liquid Liner, my holy grail. I mean, this is my favorite eyeliner. I will not use a different eyeliner other than this one. I've tried other ones and they're just still not as just black and matte and just clean. Clean. So now for eyebrows, I just, you know, the brow brush that I use is just the Anastasia Beverly Hills. But what I use for my brows is actually by LA Girl. I think this was like, was it like I think it was like $8 from CVS or something like that. I'm pretty sure it was super cheap. And I don't really fill in my eyebrows too much because my eyebrows are pretty thick and naturally full. But I'll show y'all what I do with these eyebrows. Just kind of fill in from the top a bit because I do have a scar. I fill that in real quick. Fill in the sides. I'm just literally filling in lightly all the natural brow shape. And for the front, just gonna be brushing that up. And that is it. That is how I fill in my eyebrow. It literally takes me 2 seconds to fill in my eyebrows. And to conceal them and kind of just clean it up a little bit, I'm gonna go in with my NARS concealer, and this is in, what is this one? Honey Light 3. I like this one for my brows just because it's a little more like drier and thick. And after I conceal it, I'm just going to want to go ahead and blend. And exactly what I did to this side, I'm going to go ahead and do to the other. Alright, my eyebrows are done. Now I'm going to go in with my mascara, and I do use the Chanel one. And which one is this actually? It's just Le Volume Chanel. It's looks like this one. I don't know. My friend used it and I used it after, and I really liked it, and I've just been using it since then. But I'm not super picky with mascaras. I'll use whatever one is sitting, you know, like next to me, and this one was sitting right there, so that's what I use. Lashes, I am going to be using my everyday lash, which is Dubai from the Makeup Shack, and my discount code is SALT, and I will have all that linked down below. The lash glue that I'm going to be using is Duo, and it is the black one. If you guys have any better lash glue, you know, recommendations, can you guys comment down below, because I'm not a big fan of this one. It takes forever to dry. Wait for that to dry a little bit. I just want to tell you guys, it's so weird. I don't know why I feel like bringing this up, but if you are single, it's good to talk to multiple people. Only because you shouldn't feel like you need to be committed to anyone until they really prove their place in your life. Otherwise, why do you feel like you need to only talk to them? Alright, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply the lash. I don't use tweezers, I just use my fingers. Okay, and that lash is on, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my other eyelash on. Alright, I have both my lashes on. Now for concealer, and I'm gonna use my Shape Tape again in light neutral to just highlight under eyes and the whole T-zone. And I'm gonna go ahead and set that with my beauty blender. You guys, I almost forgot primer. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Oh my god, how do I freaking forget that? But I am going to be using my Makeup Forever matte primer. And I mainly just like to use primer on just my freaking pores right here. They're disgusting. I think they're so big, even though a lot of people don't notice them. I notice them. Now that the highlighted areas are concealed and blended from my beauty blender, I'm going to be going in with my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. And I also got this almost like it's a fusion thing. Just makes it darker because my body is darker than my face, because I do not tan my face. I don't like putting my face in the sun and all that stuff because it's just a lot of skin damage. Just mix it together, and I'm going to be applying it with my little concealer brush that I was using. I just kind of spread it everywhere, and then I blend it with my beauty blender. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that foundation down my neck, my very long neck. And to conceal my under eyes and my T-zone, I am gonna be going in with my Laura Mercier setting powder. And to set the rest of my face, I am going to be using the Medium Tan Pro Longwear Powder by Marc. I only keep on my setting powder for about 5 minutes, and then I just wipe it off. I said that's so weird. No idea why. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the All Nighter setting spray by Urban Decay. With my Hoola bronzer, I'm just gonna go along the bottom of my lash line and just put some down there, just so I have that same brown, just taupey shade. With my same mascara, I'm just going to go ahead and put some on my bottom lashes. Now time for my favorite part, which is bronzing up the whole entire face. I love bronzer. Cheekbones, just all over the forehead, the nose contour, jawline. All my favorite. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start with my nose contour, and I just literally boom boom, I'm done. And I'm just going in with my Hoola bronzer. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some to the forehead and temples. I'm telling you, I go in with this bronzer because it makes it, my whole skin color just looks so much better with bronzer. I love bronzer. It defines the whole face, otherwise I just look like an egg. And I'm gonna go ahead and just blend it with the Hoola brush. Now time for my second favorite part, which is highlighter. I'm going to be going in with my Ofra Rodeo Dry Highlighter. It is my holy grail. It is so beautiful. My camera died, so annoying. That is it for highlighter. So everything is pretty much done. All I really need to do is add my lip color, which is my everyday lip color. And I do switch off, and today I'm going to be using lip gloss by Marc Jacobs, and this one is Sugar Sugar. And lip liner is always stripped down, always. Now to add my lip gloss. This color is so pretty. It's just like a pretty light pink nude. And this is my final makeup look. This is my everyday makeup routine. You guys, as you guys can tell, it is very simple but still very pretty. I love it so much. It's just really basic. And yeah, it goes with everything on my makeup. And by the way, are you guys loving this wig? If you were following me for a while, I did have this put on like a while ago, and I was like, you know what? I feel like bringing it back because I feel like a whole new person. I'm just like, alter ego, hello. But I love this wig and I love my makeup with this wig. I feel super good about it. But I will have all these products listed down below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and give me some video suggestions in the comments down below as well. And I will see you guys soon. I love you guys so much, and have a great night, day, evening, afternoon. Bye.